we go across, yeah.
I need to sneeze. It's an Up the Dragon. Thank you for your prime. Sorry, I missed them. Please sneeze. There you go. Please sneeze. He's got a snipe, he's got a snipe, he's got a snipe, be careful. Please sneeze. Runs. I need to sneeze so bad.
He's just running to his death. Bless his soul.
Someone just dropped in there.
Moving over here.
The left.
Let's just get rid of choppers instead of fixing the glitch.
Love to see it.
Yeah, not to shield. No, I'm about to die. Yeah, I'm down. I'm definitely about to die.
Chasers. You sneeze.
I want to go and find people.
Same.
I got shot in the back.
Yeah. That guy that you downed, he's up again.
Really, already?
He's got a cell.
I need to
Whoa, whoa.
sneeze. I need to sneeze.
Well, sure, I like this energy.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my god, we're at a high. I need to sneeze.
Can you hold off for like a
Chew.
minute while I go for a wee, please? Bless you! And what's that, by the way?
Yes, I saw. I chose to ignore it. Because for some reason, Chip sent it to me earlier today as well.
Oh, cool.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm deafening.
Alright.
Is this just a plot to get rid of him?
Yeah. It's a 35-minute song. Talia's heard it, yeah.
Have I heard it all?
Yes.
Yeah.
You've heard it, yeah, 100%.
I feel like I've heard it so much like while it was being done, so I don't remember like if I've heard it finished or not. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Like, you know, like I don't know if I heard the finished version, but it probably wouldn't have been that dissimilar to the last version I heard if I haven't heard it. If you know.
I was saying, I hope people actually like it. Like,
I think they will.
it's one of them ones where I don't like building things up because then people don't like it.
Yeah, you just have to be like, yeah, it's all right, and then they'll be like, oh no, did you?
Yeah,
deserve
but then
enough
you're
credit?
like, but then it's like, you gotta build it up a little bit.
You just gotta build it up. People that are nice will like it. People that are stupid will be like, you know.
Yeah, Randy got a 1500 sub train earlier.
Yeah, that's mad. Madness. I went in and gifted 20,
Jeez, big time.
and then he gifted the 20 back to me.
Oh my god.
I was like,
Oh, you
Randall,
did?
that's your
Oh,
birthday. It's
you-
how it works.
You both also just gave Twitch money.
You literally, I was like, what? Made me laugh though. Champagne about to girl. Okay, well, I can get rid of Nick Mercs now. Just watch wars. I hate getting shivers. They proper like take over me, and I do some weird like little move, and people on stream are always like, "What are you doing?" Oh, that was a fly. Do any of you do that, chat? It's anniversary as well. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't wish them happy anniversary. That's annoying. Something about you, girl. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey.
Okay,
Here we go.
that was sick.
Hey! Okay.
That was fantastic. I was fully vibing. I was fucking dancing, everything. My favourite bit is when you say like, I'm not gonna say it all, but like when the words end in ing, and it goes like one of the words is flooring, and he goes like floor win.
I don't know which bit this is.
I don't
Wait,
know where
me
it
or
is, but-
Randolph?
Huh?
Me or
I
Randolph?
don't know. I think it's Randolph. but
I'm
it
first
goes,
verse, he's second verse.
yeah, in like the ing bits, it always like makes you sound like a baby. That is sick. That's actually well good.
That was a good
Hey,
reaction. That was a good reaction.
Thoroughly enjoyed
Yeah.
that. I might have to listen to it again. I even left a note on the Dropbox as well.
Unreal.
It says I'm 50 seconds in, and this is already better than most stuff around at the moment.
What? Why are you a SoundCloud comment?
He's gassing you
Oh,
up,
no,
man.
it's just-
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
It's cute. I ship it. Probably should.
Oh, Talia Mars just come on the playlist.
Oh god.
Oh no.
What do you mean? Oh no. I can't believe that. What song? Diamonds, probably.
Men.
Oh yeah, diamonds. I was like, what? People always like catch on to that bit. That's like Freya's favourite bit of the song. Wrap me in your bridges and diamonds so you can see through the pain.
I actually want to listen to that tune again. It's actually a banger.
Clothe me in all that you are worth.
The beat is
so you can't
just
see
fantastic.
sunshine from rain. Feel the wind, it's all too much when I bail again. You fell, he sends your call, thought you were too broke to mend, yeah. Should I play you an exclusive of a song I have coming out? Feeling crazy.
Talia, I want to hear this, by the way.
Oh, I didn't know you could hear me. Did my stream open?
I just unmuted your stream.
Love that. Do I play it?
Can you send it to me?
I can send you a couple, yeah. I can send you like more than one.
The OG hype says you're meant to put butter on digestives.
Yeah, they said that to me, and I'm actually kind of not against that idea.
Why don't you put it on crackers?
That's what his his reasoning was. He was like, "Well, if you put it on crackers," I was like, "Yeah."
I don't agree with the.
I'd try it. I would definitely try it.
I'll try it.
I like butter.
Waffle. Waffle.
Come. What the frick? Oh, I'm so dyslexic. It hurts. I'm so dyslexic. Okay. Let's play this one because this isn't my favourite one, so I'm not
Well,
spoiling anything.
fuck. Where am I supposed to listen to it?
I'm putting it on stream. Well, not all of it.
Mute your mic.
Wow.
Bom, 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 bom.
Let's skip forward.
Now on the give back, cause you took it just like that. I'm trying to start it again, crying, sitting on my bed, cause you
There you go. That's all you're getting. That's literally all you're getting. Tiniest little snippet.
Oh, that was good.
Jackie, thank you so much for the 5 months. Oh god. I suddenly had a moment where I was like, I definitely should not be playing this.
Wait, what were you playing?
I played a little bit of crying.
Oh,
Literally just a tiny snippet of the chorus.
play a little bit, Jack.
I've already played them a little bit, Jack. I'll play them a little bit again. Jack
Wait,
goes
how many
off.
have you got?
It's a whole EP.
Shit.
just to
Wait.
You have
Nope. I'm gonna go back.
doing this, forgetting it. I count on you. I don't know why I do. The stitches and scars, the bruises you mask, they don't fade. Pass me a bottle of the Jack. Pass me what?
There you go. Manners weekend. Jeez.
Pass me about half a mile away from it.
Yeah, spot me, same. I'm above you.
Actually, it's more than half a mile.
Sheet lightning, by the way, whatever this gun is mad.
Oh.
I was basically gonna land on my head and then I'd die from the box.
Oh God, imagine.
Time.
I would not.
Sneeze. Miguel, thank you so much.
Even have to open a whole bottle.
Love that. I need to sneeze.
Bless you.
Try on me.
Yeah.
I'll get this recon.
I need to sneeze. Bless me, thank you.
Let me drop you this.
Wow, you want to risk my life.
I'll give you cover.
Thank you. Sorry, I rejected that idea. Wait, I'm so confused. I played someone twice now, but it's not gone through. Liam, hello! Sorry, I got really sat there.
7.
Nice. Oh.
That's you.
Thank you.
So imagine the gulag was like there's like an obstacle course and you just have one person has to chase the person and get
That is actually